Sometimes you need big, bold plants that are going to grab attention, catch everybody's eye, and make a dramatic impact in our gardens. I just seen a little hummingbird. There he comes. Look at that. There he is, beautiful. There he is, he's coming and looking. That's why they call these plants Hummingbird Mints. And this particular variety is one called Agastache, the botanical name, and the variety is Prince's Plume. Now this is a very new plant from Terra Nova Nurseries. We tested the first plants of it last year. I was impressed because it grows quite literally to 3 foot tall with huge big plumes that are, as you see, this very nice lavender-pink color and attractive to hummingbirds and pollinators. The foliage, like the other Agastaches, is nice and fragrant. Once established, it's very drought tolerant. You plant it in a sunny, well-drained position. And what I wanted to tell you is that these plants here, which as you see, are really big and dramatic and already making a nice impact. These are ones that have actually flowered now the second time. When these flowered first, they had a big plume that came out of the middle of it. We cut that back, and now as you see, when we trimmed it back, we've got all of these shoots going here, which are really beautiful. Now, it's, according to Terra Nova, hardy to zone 5, which means that it will grow anywhere in our region. Certainly, oh, there he is, he's back again. There he goes. Look at that. Isn't that the most beautiful thing? This is amazing. I'm sorry. It takes a lot to make this poor old Ulsterman speechless. But when I see these little tiny birds with their rapid wind beat darting back and forward and enjoying the flowers on these Hummingbird Mints, that is truly a very special moment. And one that is wonderful to enjoy and just great to see. So if you're interested like me and want to have some hummingbirds come and visit your garden, then maybe it's time you took a trip down to some of our partnering garden centres. There's hundreds of them all over our mid-Atlantic and northeastern states. Take a look at the Hummingbird Mints that they have there. And if you have the space, perhaps think about getting some Agastache Prince's Plume. Remember, it's going to be big. It's about 3 foot high. But as you can see, like the other ones, it attracts, because of its tubular flowers that are filled with nectar, not only hummingbirds, but other pollinating insects too. And that for me is one of the joys of gardening. And it's a very special thing to be able to experience and share with you. This is David Wilson. Enjoy your gardening. It's good for us. And it's very good for our environment too.